Hello everyone, Balaji here. So I just want to quickly do a demo on how you can, do a dashboard on Excel. So I'll be working with just a pseudo football data. You have a team of four in each group in a football tournament. So we're just going to be imputing the scores of each match, and then the dashboard will generate the table. Is going to arrange who is the first, the second, who is qualifying, and then we can do review and a little bit of analysis. It's just a demo, so I want to be working or really putting a lot into making it look fantastic, or adding a lot of graphical content to it. So first, what I will first start is just using four random teams. So I will just come up with four random teams that I'll be using as our group. So let's say England, France, let's say South Africa. What else? Okay, let's use Finland. Okay, so based on these four teams, these are the four teams that actually would be in our group. So the first thing we have to do is we have to generate the fixture table. So I will show you how to do that. It will be like a list where you can actually pick who actually is playing against who, and then what the scores for each individual games are. So let's put here we're generating the fixture. We're doing the fixture here. So here I'll just quickly generate a quick list. Yeah, list. Okay, so this automatically becomes a drop down. Let's move it down a little bit. Great. Okay, so I can drag this, and then we'll put it here also. Okay, so this will be for team 1 against team 2. Great. So here I can actually pick, let's say England is playing against France, and then things like that. We can basically put it there. Then here would be where you would have this course. Let's merge this and call it the score. Okay. Okay. So we would have this scores here in column P and Q. Yes. So here, let's do a little bit of control, such that when you pick a team here and you pick another team here, it actually will tell you the truth there. It will let you know there's a versus game. So let's just we'll be using the if statement for this. So let's just say if this cell is not empty, right? And because we're actually checking two different cells, so I'll use the AND function. Don't worry, we are basically going to be using very simple formulas in this video. We won't be doing anything complex. Like I said, it's just a demo. So if this is empty and this is not also empty, great. So if these two happen, give us a versus there, right? Yeah, else just keep it empty. Yep. So with this, look at it this way. So let's do it this way. So let's say England also played the second game. Can you see there's no versus? But immediately I pick another team, France. Lovely, it's a versus. So the versus comes up itself. But there is a condition we need to consider. What if I pick England? Okay, so let's quickly take care of that. So we'll do it in such a way that if you pick England, it will actually just let it show an error for us if we pick England, a team playing against the same team. So let's quickly do that. So I'll just be going back to the formula, and I'll be adding an extra conditional statement. Yeah, so we've already said if both is not empty, then we would also now add another conditional statement to say if this is not equals to this cell. Okay, so if it's not equals to it, show yes, or else show empty. Oh, okay, no, or else let it show an error. Yeah, then here we can now make it empty. Fantastic. So if I come here now and I pick England, error. Okay, so that's the way we need it to work. That's fine. So England, France. If you come also and do France, of course it will show you an error. Okay, so that basically settles that for us. But then, so let's move over to the score part. Okay. Now the score. The first thing we want to make sure about the score is they only accept numbers for now. So here I can enter 1, I can enter 2, normal integer numbers, or yeah, integer numbers. But now someone can come and just be naughty with the system and press 1.5, comma, that shouldn't be. Or someone can press an A, that would give an error. So we're going to be addressing that just before we put an end to this video and continue. So what we basically do is just highlight the range. Okay, come to data, then under data validation, what you do is you say whole number. Okay, then let's fix a minimum so someone cannot actually put like -1 or something. So we put a 0, then we can say, I don't expect a football match to have up to 20 goals over. Let's just do it just to be on the safe side. So yeah. Now if someone comes and tries to do 1 point, it throws